Hi everyone, here we've got KYOCERA Torque G03 and let me show you how to change screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter apps and now let's tap on the settings. Now let's scroll down a little and find a display, let's tap on it, and as you can see under the wallpaper we've got sleep, so let's tap. Here we've got some options to choose from. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Now we've got 1 minute applied and you can set it by this mark. But if you want to change it, simply tap on the time you want to use, for example 10 minutes. Just tap on it. And as you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So that's all. This is how to set the screen timeout in your KYOCERA Torque G03. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.